Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with a device in the box, and if you can't find it you can also use a paperclip, straighten one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have one of them, you'll want to take off a case if you have one on your phone, and locate the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom. And it looks like I might be wrong. It only has, I think, space for SIM. Yep, so it's only a SIM tray. There is no SD expandability, so there we go. I'm gonna move that out of the way. Now you can place two different SIM cards on either side, or you can just place one of them, and it doesn't really matter which side you pick. From there, pop in the SD card back into your phone, and the card should start working immediately once you do so. As you can see, there it is. So I'm going to confirm my SIM pin, and there we go. So that is how you can insert your SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.